Number 8. So you're going to set up this equation, this system, and solve. Okay? So there are two families, the black one and the Jones, are going to watch movies for the new Avatar movie at the Irvine Spectrum. And there's number of adults and number of children, and you're going to find the price. Oh, this is easy because, look, you already have the two equations. So you're going to make the adults, let's say the letter A, and children as C. You already have the system here. Look, 2A plus 5C is equal to 31.65. And the other one is 2A, right? Look, A and C, plus 3C is equal to 23.75. There you go. That's your two equations. One equation for the Blackwell family. That's your first equation. And the second equation is going to be for the Joneses. Now you can solve. Notice, you can multiply the bottom one by -1. Okay? If you multiply by -1, notice what it turns into. It becomes negative, then this becomes a negative, and then this becomes a negative. Now we can add 2a plus -2a, that cancels. 5c plus -3c becomes 2c. Now you have to be careful plugging that into the calculator. 31.65 plus -23.75, that gets you $7.90. Divide 2 to both sides. Again, be careful. 2 divided by 2 cancels. Here you get $3.95 for your children. Okay, that is the cost. This is the cost, right? The cost of a children, take it, is $3.95. Okay. Now you can plug it back into one of the original. 2a plus 5c is equal to 31.65. But we know what c is though. We realize c was that number of 3.95. Okay, so let's multiply that by 5. Here we get 19.75 is equal to 31.65. Bring down that 2a. Now we're going to subtract 19.75 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you here with a 2a on the left hand side. 31.65 minus 19.75, you get 11.90. Divide by 2 to both sides, it cancels. You get A is equal to 595. That is the price of an adult. So $5.95 is the adult price. So there you go. You have to set up the system, solve it as with elimination. Be careful when you do the algebra to make sure you don't mess up the decimal.